Hello guys, welcome back again. So today I'm going to show to you how to create a water reflection using Canva application. Okay, so the way to create it, first you need to open your Canva and then create a new project, and on this blank page you need to insert an image onto this page that you want to create the reflection of it. Okay, actually a few weeks ago I already create a kind of video that show you tutorial how to create reflection, and then in this video I would like to show to you how to improvise the reflection of your image. Okay, the way to create it, first insert an image onto this blank page, and then on the image you need to click it and duplicate the image like this. And now on this duplicated image, go to the toolbars and then flip the image vertical like this. Okay, when you're done, now you just need to positioning it onto the exact position that you want, kind of like this. And the next step, click this the bottom image, this one, and go to the apps, this one, click the apps button, and as you can see, when you open the apps, there will be a plenty of choice of editing apps from this section, but we need to use this liquify apps, this one. Click it to open it, and when you open it up, there will be a few choice of style from the liquify effect, so you can pick any effect that you want, but for me I'm going to use this flow effect, this one. And then swipe up again, and you can adjust the amount of the effect or the intensity of the effect by kind of like swiping this white spot onto the left side or to the right side, kind of like that. Okay, I'm going to put it there, and for the scale we'll decrease it onto this one. I'm going to put it on this side. Okay, I think it's finished. And when you finish, now you just need to click this save. Click save and wait for a moment. Okay, when you're done, now you just need to go back to the page again, like this. And as you can see, now the bottom image has already have this kind of effect. To make it much more look like it's a reflection from the top image, now you just need to go to the element and insert a water image. So I'm going to type like this and search it, and you just need to use this photos element and found the exact image that you want to use. So for example, I'm going to use this image, this one, and positioning it on top of the bottom image like this. Okay, when you're done, now you just need to swipe left the toolbar and go to the transparency button and decrease the transparency from this water element, this one. Okay, now when you're done, actually this is already done. So as you can see, now the image has this reflection of a water, style of water reflection, and that's the way how to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.